Seems to be fairly well packaged. Box isn't damaged. Looks like we got the filler cap. And this is going to go on our high fuel filler neck that we bought. Let's see what else we got in here. This looks like the fat Bertha brake pedal. Yeah, there she is. That looks pretty good. Comes with all the mounting hardware, the bolts, nuts. Looks like we got a little wire tie here to keep this bolt inside of the bearing. Real good construction. The cleat looks like you undo these two Allen heads. It looks like you can move it up and down about 11 millimeters for added adjustability. Again, the construction on this thing is just fantastic. Not a lot of sharp, nasty edges from the machining. And the pad has plenty of bite on it, looks, to give you good grip when you're hitting the brakes. Alright, next. Get in here. Looks like the high filler neck. And the cap that I unboxed the first part goes on it. Same thing. Looks to be really good design, a good quality build. CNC machined aluminum. Again, not even these edges are sharp. Nice, rounded, smooth. It's fantastic workmanship. All right, let's check out the plate. Again, aluminum. The edges on it, the finish, fantastic, smooth, nothing jagged from casting, cutting. The fit seems really good. All right, let's see what we got next. Oh, we got some hardware here. I think these are my heel guards, tie down points. Yep, here we have our heel guards / tie down anchor points for luggage and such. What makes these heel guards really nice is this slot. So you don't have to totally unhook your straps to take things off. It's the only heel guard I know that has this option, which comes in really, really handy. My other heel guard. As I've said before, the attention to the build quality of this thing, these are just, it's astounding. You can get this kind of quality from a small manufacturer. Definitely looking forward to putting this stuff on my bike. Definitely gives it a thumbs up. If you haven't, check him out. I'll put a link to his webpage in the description. Have a good one.